afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2016 government pass question. Question number 7 say a constitution of any country is basically dash. A constitution of any country is basically dash. Option A say a mere piece of paper. B, a guide to how the country should be governed. C, a document stating what the leaders should do. D, a document stating how to power. So when we talk of a constitution, that is, a constitution is a written document which states how a state or country should be ruled. So with this, option B is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.